Likely tonight. Northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Speed 2 to 3 feet.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in northeast Maryland, northern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland, northern Talbot County in eastern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Annapolis, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Stevensville and Chester around 4:45 p.m., Graysonville around 4:50 p.m., Overtown and Graysonville around 4:55 p.m., Centerville and Old Town around 5 o'clock p.m., Carville and Starkey Corner around 5:05 p.m., Hope and Churchill around 5:10 p.m. This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing wind damage across Maryland. Do not stay outdoors. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. Thursday evening for southern Talbot and northeastern Maryland. Do not stay outdoors. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Talbot. A special rain warning remains in effect. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. At 4 p.m. at Eastern